Order! Miss Gibson, it's very good to hold the choir, but what I would say is, I personally don't mind singing, but I certainly can't allow it in the chamber. Because before we know it, we could hear other tunes, and I don't want to get into that. So, you know, and some of them haven't quite got the voice on this side of the chamber as what they might have on there. So please, I don't want to sing off within the chamber. It's very good of you, much appreciated, but if you can just leave it for a little while. It's been a very tense week already. I just don't need any extra. Thank you.